Good day, everyone. My name is Vince Harris Aligado, and these are my fellow members in Group 1, Vince Gano Abiliana, Charles Matthew Aseo, and Christian Lynn Alves. Today, we're going to discuss to you COLREG 72, Rules 1, 2, and 3.
Rule 1 is the application. A. These rules shall apply to all vessels upon the high seas and in all waters connected therewith navigable by sea-going vessels. B. Nothing in these rules shall interfere with the operation of special rules made by an appropriate authority for road sheets, harbors, rivers, lakes, or inland waterways connected with the high seas and navigable by sea-going vessels. Such special rules shall conform as closely as possible to these rules. C. Nothing in these rules shall interfere with the operation of any special rules made by the government of any state with respect to additional station or signal lights, shapes, or whistle signals for ships of war and vessel proceeding under convoy, or with respect to additional station or signal lights or shapes for fishing vessels engaged in fishing as a fleet. These additional station or signal lights, shapes, or whistle signals shall, so far as possible, be such that they cannot be mistaken for any light, shape, or signal authorized elsewhere under these rules. D. Traffic separation schemes may be adopted by the organization for the purpose of these rules. E. Whenever the government concerned shall have determined that a vessel of a special construction or purpose cannot comply fully with the provisions of any of these rules, with respect to the number, position, range, or arc of visibility of lights or shapes, as well as to the disposition and characteristics of sounding signal appliances, such vessel shall comply with such other provisions in regard to the number, position, range, or arc of visibility of lights or shapes, as well as to the disposition and characteristics of sound signaling appliances, as her government shall have determined to be the closest possible compliance with these rules in respect of that vessel.
Rule 2. Responsibility. Rule 2A. Nothing in this rule shall exonerate any vessel or the owner, master, or the crew, therefore, from this consequence of any neglect to comply with these rules, or of the neglect of any precautions which may be required by the ordinary practices of seamen or by the special circumstances of the cases. Rule 2B. In construing and complying with these rules, due regard shall be had to all dangers of navigations and collisions, and to any special circumstances, including the limitations of the vessel involved, which may be a departure from these rules, necessary to avoid immediately danger.
Good day everyone, I'm Cadet Aseo and I will reporting about general definition for those purpose of this rule. A. The word vessel includes every description of the watercraft, including non-displacement craft, WEG craft, and seaplanes, used on capable of being used as a means of transportation on water. B. The term power-driven vessel means any vessel propelled by machinery. C. The term sailing vessel means undersails provided that propelling machinery. D. The term vessel engaged in fishing means any vessel fishing with nets, line, trawls, or other fishing apparatus which restrict maneuverability but does not include a vessel fishing with trolling lines or other fishing apparatus which do not restrict a maneuverability. A. The word seaplane includes any aircraft designed to maneuver on the water. If the term vessel not under command means a vessel which through some exceptional circumstance is unable to maneuver as are required by these rules, therefore unable to keep out of the way of other vessels. A. The term vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver means a vessel which from the nature of her work is restricted in her ability to maneuver as are required by these rules and is therefore unable to keep out of the way of other vessels. The term vessel restricted in their ability to maneuver shall include but not be limited to.
Letter H. The term vessel constrained by a drought means a power-driven vessel which caused of a drought in relation to the available depth and width of navigable water is severely restricted in her ability to deviate from course that she is following. Letter I. The word underway means that a vessel is not at anchor or made fast to the shore or aground. Letter J. The word length and breadth of a vessel means her length overall and greatest breadth. Letter K. Vessels shall be deemed to be in sight of one another only when can be observed visually from the other. Letter L. The term restricted visibility means that any condition in visibility is restricted by fog, mist, falling snow, heavy rainstorms and sandstorms, and any other similar causes. Letter M. The term wing and ground craft means a multimodal craft which in its main operational mode flies in close proximity to the surface by utilizing surface effect action. Thank you.